if you're looking to find property that you feel like is unclaimed, intangible, or tangible property, as in physical, non-physical property, you will direct your search to the UPA. Now, the UPA is the Unclaimed Property Administration, right? In New Jersey, this is like the treasury that keeps all of the property that has been abandoned, right, for whatever reason. And in this context, this is a reason of somebody passing away and their heirs not knowing where everything is, which is oftentimes the case. Now, specifically in regards to you contacting the UPA will almost always require you to show proof that you are in fact not only the heir, but you are the one that is in charge of the estate of the property that you're trying to claim, if that makes sense, right? So you always want to start at the Essex County Surrogate Court, make sure you get the right documentation, and then direct your search to the UPA. Now, you can start your search on unclaimedfunds.nj.gov. That is where you will start your fund. You'll put in the last name or the business name. You'll put the first name, and then you can narrow your search based on city, zip code, and a property ID. Now, if you want to do just like a property search held by other states, because sometimes the loved one had property and assets in different states, maybe they were a Rolling Stone, maybe they were somebody who had just business out of state. Some people live in 2-3 states, some people live in 2-3 countries. But specifically for other states, you will go to missingmoney.com just to get a search based on everything, because you want to make sure that you got everything that your loved one has worked for and that you are entitled to. So again, UPA keeps a tab on everything in regards to unclaimed property, and it's something that I think is worth it not only to bring to the forefront, but even if you just have this resource in your back pocket, you about to start a probate, or you just got appointed to executor, you want to make sure you dot your I's and cross your T's. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you got any value, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share it, whatever. And share this resource with everybody. You may never know what your loved one may or may not have had. Thank you guys for watching.